Hello everyone, my name is David from Lightex Tech Support. Today I'll show you how to add the motion blur effect in Photoshop, and I will show you also, as an example, how to make just the background blurred in this situation and the car not. Like you can give the effect the car is moving and it has high speed or something. What I do in this situation, well, basically I will open two projects, one just to copy the car and one to make this whole background blurred. And what I will do, I will just place the car again on the first car from the second image to make this whole effect of blur. I know it may sounds complicated, but it's not. That being said, let's get started. With Alt and using the mouse wheel, I will just zoom a little bit, and what I want to do, select the picture first time. If we go to the filters, then blur, here we can locate the motion blur effect and the intensity of it, also the distance. Let's don't go too crazy with that like it was on 2000, I think it was. This will be on 1 as normal, and this will do it. I will let it on 60 to not be too crazy. Now let's move on the second image, and what I want to do with the object selection tool, the first one, I will just copy the car and place it on the second image. Here I have to play a little bit. Let's right click and go with the quick selection tool, and you have to learn, if you don't know that already, with Alt and click you can deselect, and with Shift and click you can select back, and you can tell Photoshop what to copy and not from the image. This will help you a lot in your further project if you didn't know this. So with Alt and click you can deselect, and with Shift and click you can select something from the image. So let me just play a little bit because I want to copy just the car, and after that we'll go back to the first image and make that that blur effect just on the background, not with the car. Okay, I pretty like how I copied the car. It is not perfect. If you zoom all the way to the margins, you can see the imperfections here, but I don't want to go too crazy with this one. This is just an example. So the car pretty much is it's perfect. I will just copy that by holding Ctrl and C as in Charlie. Let's go back on the other photo where I blurred the whole background, and here I will hold Ctrl and V to paste the car, and with Ctrl T I will readjust the size. Let's put it where it was at the original size, something like I think the image that I pasted, it's a little bit bigger than the original car. Okay, this will do it. Why not? It's not perfect, but you get my point. First I just blurred the picture, and on the second one with the smart selection tool I copied the car. Don't forget, with Alt and click you can deselect, and with Shift and click you can select it back. So this is the easiest way, in my opinion, how to add the motion blur effect on an image in Photoshop and give the effect like the car is moving, or maybe you want just to highlight an object or something. So if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to thumbs up the like button and leave any questions down below in the comment section. Please have a wonderful day.